to my another tutorial. So this is the mountain we painted few days ago, so with palette knife. So today I'm going to make hills and so many things, and I'll be sharing all those techniques with you. So now I am taking my palette knife, see. So with this I'll just pick a color, right? So I hope you enjoyed all this tutorial before. If you haven't checked, I'll put this video link in the description. You can check it there. Okay, now I'm mixing little cobalt blue, red, and maybe just a very little touch of green for heel. Okay, see, this is how I mix. See, I pick it up and again I pull it down, and again I pick it, pull it down. See. Okay, now with this I'll pick it again at the edge of my palette knife. So now with this I'm gonna pull it here. See, always take the color at the edge and then just pull it. See, we'll have a very simple heel because this is totally for beginner. And yeah, if you are like trying to get knowledge about palette knife, then it will be important to you as well. Okay, so yeah, you can watch the video, all that how I mix and all. I have made it earlier. I'll put the link in the description as well. This time I'm using direct cobalt blue down here, right, so that I can mix it well with the mist. See, now I'm pulling it just here and there. This is how the color gets blend. Maybe, see, this is just a random shape here. Maybe we can bring one more heel out from there. Okay, I think this is good for now. Now to highlight this heel, I'll make another color that is little reddish in color, just similar to this. See, I have added snow here, but this time I will not add snow there. So see, I'm picking very little color with the edge of my palette knife, just like this, right? Then mix it well here. Maybe little red I want, maybe just a touch of orange, and then see, pull it here. You have to press it very hard, remember, okay? And then just pull it down. Okay, I think this color is perfect for now. So let's start picking it up again like this at 45 degree, and then see, at the edge of your palette knife. Now just with the edge, not putting it flat, I'll just pull it, just tap it in some places, or maybe pull it very lightly. Remember, only with the edge, very lightly. Yeah, see, this will give very good effect there. See, again picking it up at the edge, and then again, see. Oh, I really love these little effects, you know, while pulling it very softly. You don't need to press it hard, just touch it, then pull it, touch it, pull it. See, yeah, it's not hard, you just need little practice, you know. Okay, maybe I don't want any green color in this hill this time, but I might add little highlight on this red. So yeah, let's make that highlight color. I'll just pick up little white here and mix here. Maybe little orange will make it more good, you know. Let's try it. Okay, maybe little more orange, and then again pick it. See, now this time again I want this color to be lesser than all this color. See, only add some places very lightly. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't want to add more there. Okay, here as well, some at this point, see, and here. Okay, I think this is totally fine for now, right? Let's not overdo it, otherwise it won't look nice. See, now I'll just pick up white on the palette knife and then put it here. I'll just blend this color, okay, just to make a mist, just like this, similar to this one. Okay, see, first I'll pull it all here, only see at the edge of the palette knife, and just pull it down. Then okay, now let's start blending it. See, I'll pull it from up. See, the color gets collected here. See, you all these colors, it gets collected here, and from again while pulling up, same colors come down. It gets collected from here, the white, and while pulling it from up, it gets blended. See, okay, see, maybe we can add little blue tone there, right? Okay, I think this is good. See, this color is already dry, so it is becoming so hard, but no worries. See, I'll make this tone a bit and then merge it. See, I hope you are getting all this technique. You'll enjoy palette knife once you know how to do it very correctly. Okay, I think we don't need to work much there. Maybe little white down here, here as well, and then it will be totally fine. So never expect very clear fog or whatever with palette knife, because there is always brush to make it very smooth, but with palette knife you'll always get all these patches, and that's the good charm of using palette knife, you know. Okay, let's not work much here now. Let's just leave it like this, and let's shift to another part. Okay, this time let's make this little white, or I mean just make more mist out there. See, or maybe we can use direct white, just pull it, right? Because now I'm going to make distant trees there, so it might help you to learn how to make that one as well, right? Okay, I think this is totally fine. Let's not overwork, because we'll have trees here and it will cover all these small patches there. So for distant trees, I'll be using little blue, little green, and maybe all this color, maybe just a touch of red there, right? I want it to be more in blue tone, so that it looks more good and shows create more distance. Okay, see, again at the edge of knife, just pull it, right? Maybe here, oops. Okay, now maybe let's make this one little tall, this tree, right? This is just like, you know, giving shape where I'm gonna make trees, making just little sketches or whatever. Maybe this line will make our painting more beautiful. Let's hope it. Now see, this time just take the color at the tip of your palette knife, and then just see, just play here and there. See, just touch it here and there. Okay, this is nice. See, And see, always while making trees, make this or pine trees or whatever, I don't know the exact name, but I have seen this kind of tree a lot. Make it thin on top and then thick at bottom, see. Okay, now let's do it to more trees that we'll have in this painting. Okay, just with the edge of or tip of your palette knife, see, just like this. Okay, if we want to create more distance, then we can add more light colors there, you know, just little white, blue, or green, whatever, and then we can just make it more light there, see. And just pull it like this at the edge or bottom part. Yeah, I think this is good for now. Maybe little more here. Okay. Okay, let's finish all this as well. Okay. Okay, I think this is good for now. Now maybe we can add little highlight on these trees. For highlight, I'll be taking little yellow and green and maybe more white, see, or little blue as well that I already had on this palette. And yeah, I think this is good for now. So let's start putting it again at the tip of your palette knife and then just tap it. Since our light is coming from this side, I'll just put it more highlight this side rather than this side. Okay, see, if we want more colors in the tree, then we can always make it and add it there, right? So maybe we can do that in some trees, not in all though. Yeah, see, that gives really good effect. Maybe we can give some highlights here as well in some places, see. Okay, I think this is good for now. Maybe we can add little orange effect there on the tree, right? Only in some places I'll be adding that color. Again, I'm taking it at the tip of palette knife and just tapping it wherever I want, not in all the place, only in some places that I want the highlight to be in, right? Okay, I think this is good for now and don't want to work much on this. Okay, now let's give little branches or stains or whatever. I don't know what we call it. Okay, with at the edge of this palette knife, I'm just gonna make it, see. Just random here and there. And this creates a very good distant trees in our painting. Okay, now we'll continue this painting in another video. I hope you got knowledge about how to make hills, mist and some distant trees with palette knife. If you want more videos like this, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and also comment below what you want to know. Okay, then I'll make video about that. And keep supporting, keep the love coming. Goodbye, take care, have a nice time.